Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the account. Verify your email and enable two-factor authentication so Roblox can verify changes. Once done, open Settings and check account info to confirm your current username and any display name. At the same time, gather a clear list of the past usernames you want removed and prepare identity proof or account ownership screenshots. These items speed up the process when you contact Roblox support. Now proceed to the next step, submitting a targeted request for removal. You now craft the support ticket, log into Roblox, open help/support, and choose account problems then account settings. Once selected, clearly state you want previous usernames removed, list each past username, and explain the privacy reason. Make sure to attach front-side ID or account screenshots proving ownership and the email tied to the account. Use concise sentences and a polite tone. Support teams process complete. Well-documented requests faster. After submission, you will receive an automated case number. Finish by monitoring responses and keeping records. You should wait about 5 to 10 business days for an initial reply. Make sure to check spam and the Roblox support portal. If your request is denied, politely ask for escalation and supply any additional proof requested, ownership screenshots, transaction receipts, or linked email headers help. As a temporary measure, change your display name and tighten profile privacy to reduce visibility while the support process continues. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear nothing, reopen the ticket with the case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.